day one is complete. As you can see, we made a little bit of progress, and this is a lot of thick bush here. So we cut out a pathway. This is kind of, we're basically roughing in like where we want our driveway to be, and then we're gonna widen it out from there. So this is just the start. All right, so this is day two. We've just been trimming by hand, and we've made a path all the way through. This is just using a pair of cutters, just limb branch cutters, and there we go, all the way back. So we're doing this by hand, and then we'll get a professional to come in and widen out our path that we have chosen here. As you can see, it's just a lot of just thick brush. There's some briars in here which don't feel too good if you get into. And that is. So this is going to be the main road you drive the truck into when you get through with this. And then back here, we're going to clear this out, and it'll be a turnaround. And there's our property line. Some more of the brush we cleared out.
All right, well, this is the end of day 3. We only did a few hours today because my back is killing me. I know it doesn't look like much here, but we actually cut up quite a bit. We did a path from front to back, and one path from, because this will be our driveway, all the way to the right to kind of give us an idea of where we want to go. And then tomorrow, our friends, the Average Campers, are going to help us to like really just go to town on it. I can't wait. I'm super excited. I want to transplant this baby. It's the only pine we've seen on property so far. Look at these beautiful oaks.
Oh yeah, these oaks are amazing.
Yeah. See that little pink neon line? We did our best, so it's hopefully more or less with right on our line. We started from the survey marker in the back, and then and then cut ourselves going through all that brush to get to the front survey marker. So it's a lot of work. But tomorrow we're gonna make a heck of a lot more progress.
All right, so we worked a couple of days here, got a little bit cleared out so we can get an idea of exactly what type of vegetation we have here, what kind of trees and where they are, and see if it's gonna line up with our layout. So we've kind of cleared this whole section out, just kind of giving it a start so we know what's going on here. But we're gonna break out the big guns and hire in someone with a forestry mulcher to come in and level out what we want taken very selectively, and it'll mulch all the trees and sticks and vegetation down to just mulch. We won't have big piles of stuff, and then they're gonna knock any trees out that are in our path so we can cut those up for firewood.
Thanks to the Average Campers, we got a lot of help over the past few days. Actually, even longer than that. We'll leave a link to their channel in the description. They actually documented their start to finish clearing out their land and making it their RV homestead, and they did it all by themselves. That is amazing. When we started doing this, they helped us quite a bit to clear all this. It was amazing how fast you could do it with just a chainsaw and a brush cutter. But as we were going through it, we realized we didn't want the tree stumps in the way. I'm clumsy. I'd trip on it. I know that for a fact. So thankfully we found a forestry mulcher that'll do it for a reasonable price. So we're excited about that. We'll be back in a couple of weeks, continue our progress. I know I'm excited. Are you?
Got some steaks on the grill. Got some fish on the grill. This is the way we do it in Taylor County.
Today's the day. The guy's here with the Forestry Mulcher. I'm so excited. How about you?
Oh yeah. Can't wait. We're gonna get started right now.
Beautiful.
So he brought a brand new machine, so.
So we've been up here since Monday. It's Thursday now. And this gentleman's machine wasn't ready because it was broken or whatnot. And today's finally the day. We're so excited. We're so impatient. We just want to get it done. So I'm gonna take a little before. I'm gonna do some drone shots too to see the difference. Now what he's gonna do is just cut out all the campsites. Oh, I gotta remind him that he's gonna uproot it so I can transplant it. And then we're gonna have lots of firewood. Oh, and there he goes. Look how far he's gotten in just a couple of minutes. Like literally we've been standing here 5 minutes, just chit-chatting like, oh cool, look at that machine. Oh my God, look how far he is.
So it's great. Our vision is coming to life. Mr. Greg here just cleared out what's going to be our turnaround, and now unfortunately we got to take out some trees, but we're gonna play it by ear and see how it goes. Maybe we don't have to take them all out. So. All right. Pick him up by his tail.
No. Did we destroy his home?
Well, we just dropped the trees that we needed to drop. Got a load of dirt delivered, and yeah, it's coming right along. A lot of work still to do. Yeah, it's only 1 o'clock. We've only been at this for about 4 hours today. So this is good. Here we go.
It's 6 o'clock. Mr. Greg Taylor's finally done. Was it Greg Taylor Forestry Mulching?
Forestry Mulching.
Forestry Mulching. He did a fantastic job. You'll see his quality work right now once I take you around to see the finished product.
Yeah.
Well, rough cut of the finished product. Yeah. I'm excited. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
So there's site number 1. This is going to be our area for maybe like a laundry facility or something like that. And then we got site number 2 here. Looks good. Here's site number 3. Now the question is,
Site number 4.
well, we're just checking out and going around the circle here now.
That was tight,
Yeah, that was really tight.
so you probably should go the other way.
Yeah. So if you came in with your trailer, it's in the way. You gotta remember to go along that too.
Yeah. So this doing it that way is a little easier.
Yeah, it was a little bit easier. And that might need to go right there.
That one.
Yeah.
I'm transplanting this little pine that I found right in the middle of the way. It's one of the 2 pines. There's only 2 pines that I noticed on property. So this one's the smaller one and the big one we put on the front. We took a quick 5-minute drive around the corner to check out County Boat Ramp. Also, less than a mile around the other corner is a kayak and small boat launch. Now, if only there was a marina much closer so we can bring our sailboat up. The water is kind of shallow. Maybe we should get a small fishing boat. In the next episode, we get a lot accomplished. The septic goes in, the electric gets ready to be connected.
Apple and Rob. Visiting Pelican.
We check out the progress of traveling Robert's Pelicamp
Yes, thank you so much.
and even rescue an injured hawk. Stay tuned.